Ibrahim Ali Khan says he has a hearing disability since birth that impacted his speech, also reveals what Priyanka Chopra told him after watching Nadanya. Saif Ali Khan and Amrita Singh's son Ibrahim Ali Khan faced a lot of backlash after the release of his first film Nadanya. While trolls were quick to slam him, not many know about his struggle with a speech impediment. In a recent interaction, Ibrahim opened up about having difficulty with speech since childhood and revealed that he still has to work really hard on it. Ibrahim was asked about how he struggled with his speech because of a hearing disability since birth. He said, "Soon after I was born, I had very bad jaundice and that went straight to my brainstem. I went on to lose quite a bit of my hearing and that impacted my speech. My speech is something that I've had to work hard on since I was a child, with coaches and therapists. It's not perfect, I'm still working really hard on it." He was also asked, what kind of a boyfriend is he? He said, "I'm very caring, I don't cross boundaries and I'm not possessive. I don't ask too many questions. I give and expect space. I think being in a relationship when you are an actor is different compared to when you are in any other profession." Ibrahim was asked what was the best advice he received after his first film came out and was banned. He said, "From two people. My dad said this is not the year 2000 when a star can just walk around in a movie and it can be a blockbuster. Today you must be very prepared and be a quick learner. Most importantly," he said, "the script and the filmmaker are two things you cannot compromise on." The second one was from Priyanka Chopra. She sent me a very sweet message saying she watched the film and thinks I have a bright future. She said I have to hold my head high and keep grinding, and that I must grow a thick skin. Coming from someone as accomplished as she is, I felt really comforted and motivated.
नमस्ते दर्शकों। भाई जरा स्माइल करो भाई। नमस्ते को नमस्ते।
Did Junior NTR lose his cool over fan selfie requests at RRR event? Watch what happened at Royal Albert Hall. London witnessed a grand tribute to Indian cinema on 11th May 2025 as the iconic Royal Albert Hall came alive with the RRR Live Orchestra concert. It was an evening brimming with music, emotions, and star power, drawing fans from across the globe to experience the film's brilliance in a completely new way. A major highlight of the night was Junior NTR's interaction with fans, along with Ram Charan extending birthday wishes to the actor during the event. The occasion brought together the film's dream team, director S.S. Rajamouli, superstars Junior NTR and Ram Charan, and Oscar-winning music director M.M. Keeravani, who received an electrifying welcome as they took the stage. The live rendition of the film's powerful soundtrack had the audience cheering with every beat, adding to the event's grandeur. However, amid the festive atmosphere, a particular moment featuring NTR stirred buzz online. A video began circulating in which the actor appeared visibly irritated when approached by fans seeking selfies. But the situation was quickly clarified by those present. Fans shared that NTR remained composed and simply requested that people not rush or cause chaos. In the now viral clip, a user explained, "I don't know if you understood what he was trying to say, but here is the short version of it. I'll give you the picture. Don't hurry or create a mob congestion here or else they, security, will push you away. He is trying to protect them and make sure no such thing happens." On the work front, Junior NTR has a busy lineup. He's currently filming Dragon with director Prashant Neel. He's also set to make his Bollywood debut in War 2 opposite Hrithik Roshan. Fans are eagerly awaiting Devara Part 2, and there's buzz about a possible collaboration with filmmaker Nelson Dilip Kumar on an exciting new project. Shah Rukh Khan and Suhana Khan's King shoot faces delay amid India-Pakistan tensions. Shah Rukh Khan is poised to collaborate with his daughter, Suhana Khan, in the eagerly awaited film King. While initial reports suggested that the father-daughter duo would commence shooting in May, recent updates indicate a potential postponement. A media outlet reported, "Despite the ceasefire, things remain sensitive and the situation is dynamic. So, everyone is wondering whether this would be a good time to take their projects on floors." The team of King has been working towards 16th May, which is when they're expected to begin filming. But a slight delay won't be surprising, as it would be preferable to go on set when the atmosphere is less tense. The report further elaborated, "The after-effects of the India-Pakistan conflict are being felt across the board. People aren't confident that releasing films right now would yield success. They are also considering waiting it out before setting up big projects. The industry is being cautious." Earlier, details about the film's production surfaced, indicating that the initial shooting schedule would commence at a Mumbai studio. Following the domestic phase, the production is set to move to international locations, including the UAE and various parts of Europe. The same report highlighted the film's unique aspects. The team is extremely excited to begin this magnum opus, which is touted to be a one-of-its-kind action thriller, with SRK in shades of grey. While the filmmakers have yet to announce an official release date, reports suggest that King is anticipated to hit theaters between October and December 2026.
The curious case of Anushka Sharma's comeback film Chakra Express. Anushka Sharma's highly awaited return to the screen in Chakra Express, a biopic on legendary cricketer Jhulan Goswami, is mirrored in mystery. The film, originally expected to be released on OTT in October 2023 as part of its partnership with Clean Slate Films, remains unseen and suspended in cinematic limbo, according to a recent report. Directed by Prasit Roy and written by Abhishek Banerjee, the film promised to be a sharp departure from the formulaic sports biopic, yet despite being nearly complete, it has been shelved indefinitely following the dissolution of the Clean Slate and the OTT platform's partnership. The journey of Chakra Express, Anushka Sharma's much-anticipated biopic on cricketer Jhulan Goswami, has been anything but smooth. Scripted by Abhishek Banerjee and directed by Prasit Roy, the film aimed to portray not just Goswami's cricketing achievements but also her humour, sarcasm and resilience. Originally set to begin filming in April 2020, the production was disrupted by the COVID-19 pandemic, Anushka's pregnancy, the exit of her producer and Roy's involvement with Patal Lok. The OTT platform eventually picked up the project, reworking it for OTT with a tighter 3-act format but without compromising its unique narrative voice. Anushka trained for over 7 months post-maternity, and cinematographer Pratik Shah employed handheld cameras for a more immersive and personal feel. The film also used meta techniques like Goswami breaking the fourth wall to comment on her story and the state of women's cricket. Though the OTT platform released a teaser, it was merely a pre-pandemic look test, misrepresenting the final product. According to reports, Chakra Express defied typical sports drama tropes and spanned real stadiums in India and the UK during its 62-day shoot. Despite being nearly complete, the film remains unreleased, stalled by external complications. According to a report, at the time of its shelving, Chakra Express were nearly finished with only a few VFX shots remaining. However, after the OTT platform and Clean State parted ways, the film's future became uncertain, reportedly creating differences and budgetary constraints were involved. Though no official statement has been issued alongside this, another Clean State film, Afghani Sloan starring Vijay Verma and Tripti Dimri, is also stuck in development purgatory.